What's going on, everybody? I got this Kenmore dishwasher, man. It's been making a loud whining noise, almost like a whistling noise, for the past 2 months now. I did a little research, and I had some people say it was the drain valve or inlet valve. And that's look right here. I put that on maybe like a week ago, and it's still having the same problem. Then had some other people say it might be the drain pump right here. So I'll give it a shot. Take this off on this one. Got the little cable right here. Just undo that. You got a bracket. You got 2 bolts in there. Just take those 2 bolts off, and it slides right on off. And disconnect these little holes right there. And give it a little pull, should come right on off. There we go. That's the drain pump. Now, I'm looking at it. It got a little dust on it, like a bearing went out or something. I don't know. Inside, pretty nasty. Yeah. Now guess what that's where that come from, that spot come from, this pump going bad. I'll give you the model number. Ooh. Kenmore, model number 587.14119.401. That's the one I'm working with. Now I wanted to find a way to confirm that this was my problem. Don't mind the towel, I wasted some water. I wanted to find a way to confirm, this is what's making the noise. So I had this old cable in the garage. I think it come off the heat lamp from a snake. I just cut the ends off, got a little switch on it, and I put some little electrical fittings I made up on there. And that's how we're gonna test it. Let me show you how it goes first. One hand. Do it like that. Basically, it just slides right on them posts. Right there. Camera sucks, I know. First video. Slides right on there. Pretty snug. I'm looking on here. I'm wondering how many volts to go to it. It looks like it's taking the whole 120, so just plug it into a regular outlet and let's go see what she do. Got me some water set up already out there. Fill that up. Doing this with one hand, so bear with me. One Teletubby. 2 Teletubby. Alright. Try to simulate it as much as I can. And remember that the pump is in the dishwasher sideways. Just gonna get it wet a little bit. Alright, where's my switch? Let's see if I can hit it with my foot. Gotta hold it. It's gonna turn on you. Yeah, there she goes. Don't hear no noise right now. And like I said, you gotta remember, it was in there sideways. So they figured out. Oh shoot. There's the noise. Might be that right there. There you go. That was my noise. That was the noise right there.